So you wanna hurt actor with a single call. That's apply damage. It's a built-in system for damage and Unreal. Instead of reducing health manually, you broadcast the damage and actor decide how to handle it. And now to get this node, just right click and type in apply damage and you will get this node. Yes, it is that easy. Now for now we have prepared an example here in which I am taking the third person character as our own character and the tutorial actor as an enemy character. For you, you can experiment however you like, but for now let's just take an even begin play execution pin and I'm attaching it to get actor of class, and then I'm promoting this to variable. For actor class I have chosen the tutorial as I said before. Now this can very well be made in a sense so that we don't have to target one single enemy and it can determine between a lot of enemies. But for now this tutorial is a very basic one, so we will focus on this one. After that I made a debug key 1 in which I will be applying damage and my base damage will be 10 and the target is test target, which is the tutorial. So let's just compile the code here and let's move forward to the tutorial one so that we can see how it actually works in action. So now in our tutorial actor, which is basically our enemy, I have called an event called event any damage, and this event is triggered when the actor take any kind of damage. If it is registered as damage, it will get triggered, and in this case I am taking an execution pin from that and then I am connecting it to print string, and for printing string I am taking the damage amount, the base damage which we just added in the third person character. It is the same damage amount, so it will be printed every time we press 1. With that I think we have prepared everything, and let's just compile the code and press begin play. And now as you can see on the screen, our character is standing there, and as soon as we press 1 it started printing 10. Whenever we press 1 it's print 10 because when the 1 key pressed, the apply damage node comes into play. It applies damage to the actor that was set play event begin play by get actor of class, which was tutorial, and it just sends that the damage is applied to it, which is 10, and then the event any damage registered that damage by sending the signal from its own execution pin, and then it print the print string. Hope it's making sense. Now this goes without saying, but it is used for projectiles, explosion, melee attacks or melee hits or environment hazards. Apply damage is how your actors speak common language about the health. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.